Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the flashlight feature or flashlight mode on your Apple Watch SE watch. Now this is something that you could potentially have hidden depending on how you have your control menu. The way you're going to get to this is you're going to press the control button. It's going to be this flat button on the watch, not the digital crown, but the flat button, and that will take you to your control menu. I was saying that this is editable. One of the things you can remove is the flashlight, but by default, when you get your watch from Apple, you should have it. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to turn off my overhead light because it's easier for you to see this with no lights. And we're simply going to press the flashlight icon, and that turns on our flashlight. Now, you've got some different options in here. I'm going to use my digital crown. You're not going to be able to see that unless I turn this back on. If you scroll this, you can adjust your brightness on your flashlight. So adjust your crown and you'll see it's getting brighter, it's getting dimmer. You also have three different modes. If you simply swipe, you had your first one, which was solid white. Then we've got a flashing white, which again, we could adjust the brightness on this one as well. And then your last mode is a solid red. And again, on the red, you can adjust the brightness. Solid white, blinking white, solid red, and then use the crown to adjust the brightness on any one of those. When you're done, you could press the crown, you could press your control button, you could swipe down from the top to turn off your flashlight. It's really simple. That's how you use the flashlight on your Apple Watch SE. Hope the video helped.